Today's video, going to be replacing this variable valve timing solenoid on this EcoBoost. There's not going to be no set order. I'm just going to take everything that's attached to the valve cover off. First thing we're going to do is get these coil packs out of the way. 8mm for the nuts and bolts. You're going to want to pull back on these red clips, and then once you do that, you can go ahead and press on the connector and pull it off. Now we're going to remove any harness that's attached to the front end. And with the pry tool, just pop these covers off, these tie down. Now the harness is out of the way enough to remove the front end, so now we'll be working on the back end of the valve cover. Now we remove this vacuum hose. So you just got to squeeze on these two. Then these lock tabs spread out, and then you just getting held on by two O-rings. One more hold down clip back here. Right here is your exhaust cam position sensor. We're going to go ahead and remove that. 8mm. Hold down clip right here on the back stud. This tie down clip for this hose, pop it right up. And then there's the intake cam position sensor. Go ahead and pull your cam position sensor out. And there you go, everything that's attached to the valve cover is removed. Now we can go ahead and work on the mount bolts, and then the valve cover will come out. On each side of the valve cover, there's 5 bolts. One in the front middle, one on the front back, and then one inboard, and then 2 inboard. If everything went good, this valve cover should not come out. Alright, you can see there was a struggle right there, but we got it. Once you get the rear removed, that's all easy because it was just a gasket holding onto it. But the front end, these 2 solenoids are holding onto it with the seal. So it's a pain. You just got to take your time, go around it, pry it up slowly, evenly if possible. And then once you break it loose from this top ridge, it comes right out. And there you go. So now we have access to our solenoid. 8mm. Here's our new one. Let's go ahead and throw it in. Where the front timing cover meets the head, we're going to go ahead and put some silicone. And that's how you replace these VVT solenoids on these EcoBoosts. Hopefully this video helps y'all. You have a good one.